In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your Slack workspace through Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to Slack if you haven't already. Once you're inside your workspace, make sure you're looking at the main chat layout. This is the central Slack view where you can see your channels, direct messages, and the navigation panel on the side. Starting from the main workspace view helps ensure you can easily find the tools you need without getting lost in a specific conversation or thread. Next, look for the app directory option in Slack. Depending on your workspace layout, this may appear in the sidebar or within the section where Slack lists available tools and integrations. Click into the app directory, and once it opens, use the search bar to look for Google Calendar. Typing the app name directly is usually the fastest way to find the correct integration, especially if your workspace has access to many apps. When Google Calendar appears in the results, select it to open the app page. Take a moment to confirm that you've chosen the official Google Calendar app for Slack. This helps avoid confusion and ensures you're connecting the correct service to your workspace. From there, add the app to your channel interface. In practical terms, this means installing or connecting the app so it becomes available within Slack and can interact with your workspace. As you go through this part, Slack may guide you through a few permission screens. Follow the prompts carefully so the app is added properly. You'll then be asked to authorize access to your account profile. This is the step that allows Slack and Google Calendar to work together. Review the permission request, and if everything looks correct, approve the connection. Authorization is important because it lets the app display calendar updates, send reminders, and support scheduling features directly inside Slack. After the connection is complete, the app should become available in your workspace interface. If you don't see it right away, give Slack a moment to refresh or reopen the app section. It's also a good idea to make sure you're authorizing the account you actually want to use for calendar notifications and event syncing. And that's it. Once Google Calendar has been added and authorized, you're ready to use it inside Slack for a more connected workflow.